So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like to draw? Yeah, I do too. Why don't we draw an animal? Have you seen an animal around here lately? A snake? Right here? Whoa, you're right. Hey, snake. Wow, I love snakes. Yeah, they're reptiles. They just slither around. Whoa, I'm gonna take the color green and draw a snake. So what I'm gonna do is do a squiggly line. All right, start over here. Whoa, whoa. And then I'll make a point right here for the tail. Whee! And then just follow that squiggly line back. There we go. Yeah, and then I'll make a nice little head like that. And then we'll do an eye and a smile. And then, what do they have right here? Yeah, a tongue. Let's go like this. Yeah, and did you know snakes actually smell with their tongue? Whoa, really cool. Now let's just draw some lines. Yeah, to make it nice and cute. Whoa, that was so much fun. If you love drawing and want to draw more with me, yeah, like cool things like this, like the snake, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!